Well, as you have seen here in Tunisia, the preparation is still going on with training for all the participants to make sure that everything is ready. We are also working on the preparation of the ships, the installations, the revisions and maintenance. We have between today and tomorrow the ships arriving from Spain that basically was the first departure of the fleet. We will go through maintenance for all the ships to make sure that they are in good conditions and ready to sail. The date of departure from Tunisia will be defined by the status of those ships upon arrival. As soon as we have the ships ready, we will start moving and we will continue our path. One day after the departure from Tunisia, we will have the departure from Greece and from Italy. We can see that people are very excited. They want to sail as soon as possible. Of course, there is stress and anxiety because they want to be on the mission to break the siege on Gaza. And while we appreciate all that energy and efforts, we remind people that we have to be patient. We have to do things very well because this is a high-risk mission. So we are putting all our concentration on safety and preparation to make sure that this is a successful mission, that we don't have any difficulties or challenges that will put people on risk. That is a top priority for us, and we will continue moving on that direction. Regardless of the time, regardless of anything that happens with us, all our eyes on Gaza. Our objective and our mission did not change at all. We will continue mobilizing until we end genocide, until we break the siege on Gaza.